Run to Walgreens. Mira, buy one, get two free. Dale, get your flip-flop chancleta. Ya tú sabes, mijita. Go inside and grab this fabulosa deal, mijita, okay? Any of the Arm & Hammer laundry products right now is buy one, get two free this week at Walgreens. The pods are my favorite. Also, the odor blasters. Amazing deal. Can't believe it's $7.49 for just one of them. You're grabbing 3 items for $7.49. Other deals that I spotted was the Purex crystals. If this is more your jam, mijita, it's buy one, get one free. And if you need toilet paper, the Walgreens brand that's normally $4.99 is only $1.99. You can't beat that price, mijita. And we also have the Scott paper towel and Scott toilet paper this week. Buy one, get the second 50% off. So you pay for $5, the first one for $5, and the second it will be $2.50. So happy shopping. Let me know what you girls are needing so I could be on the lookout. Adios, mamita.